Condenser unit tripping your circuit breaker is super annoying, but you can totally fix it if you know what to look for. Okay, so first up, always check the wiring around your condenser unit. Like, sometimes wires get loose or damaged, causing shorts that make your breaker trip. Next, keep an eye on the compressor current draw. If it's pulling way more power than it should, that's a big red flag. You can use a clamp meter for this if you have one, or call a pro to do it safely. Also, make sure your circuit breaker itself isn't faulty or weak, because that can cause trips even if the unit is fine. Another tip is to clean the condenser coils regularly, since dirt and debris can cause the unit to overheat and trip breakers. Don't forget to check the capacitor, because if it's failing, the compressor struggles to start and draws too much current. Finally, make sure your outdoor unit has good airflow to avoid overheating issues that lead to breaker trips. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with a condenser unit that trips the circuit breaker is ignoring signs of wiring problems. Damaged or frayed wires can cause shorts that blow breakers fast. The fix here is to inspect all accessible wiring carefully and replace anything sketchy. Another common issue is a failing compressor drawing too much current, often because of internal damage or age. Getting a professional to test and possibly replace the compressor is the way to go. Lastly, people often overlook the capacitor condition, which is crucial for starting the compressor properly. If your capacitor is weak or dead, replacing it usually stops the breaker from tripping. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle these HVAC headaches without breaking the bank. For contractors, it's an awesome way to get connected with folks who actually need their skills and want reliable work done right.